As I said before, first we have to do waste pipes and water pipes. So waste pipes we already done. Yeah, this is waste for the wash basin in here, for the shower, and again we used many elbows in here to make job easier for the future. When someone will do the ties and everything, you can move everything up and down and in every direction. So it's why we are using so many elbows in here. This pipe is going into the upstairs toilet, and we have toilet in here as well, flush upper walk-on toilet. Looks like that. This pipe here, it's going into the upstairs bathroom for 2 wash basins. Let me show you now. I'm going upstairs into the first floor. Yes, I show you now. This is this pipe I show you before. I showed you before. Yeah, the 2 wash basins will on this wall in here. I have to dig hole in this concrete because we have only in here 9 centimeters, so it will about 3 centimeters of insulation only, and then some concrete and the tiles. It looks like that. We have good angle in here, and this corner over there we install flusher for the walk-on toilet, and this pipe in here, it's vent pipe. Yeah, looks like that, and it's going over there into the loft, and then we're going up to the roof. This pipe in here, it's going from downstairs, it's prepared for the bath, and this one here is prepared for the shower, working shower. Yeah, and in here as well we have to dig the hole in the concrete to have good angle in here. Looks like that. Thanks for now. Tomorrow we're gonna do water pipes, and I will make video for you. So till next time, bye bye.